Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS5 to open Wi-Fi. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 console is fully powered on and you are logged into your user profile. Grab your DualSense controller and navigate to the main dashboard. We will then proceed to the system settings, which is where all network configurations are managed. This process is straightforward and takes only a few moments to complete. Once on the main dashboard, look for the small gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on it to open up a new screen with various system configuration options. From this list, you will need to select Network. This section is dedicated to all internet and connection-related adjustments for your PlayStation 5. Inside the Network menu, navigate to Settings and then select Set up Internet Connection. Choose Wi-Fi as your connection method and opt for the easy setup. Your PlayStation 5 will then scan for available networks. From the displayed list, select the open Wi-Fi network you wish to join. Since it is an open network, you will not be prompted for a password, making the connection process quick and simple. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your PlayStation 5 and the Wi-Fi router. For a more stable and faster connection, especially for online gaming, consider using a wired Ethernet cable directly to your console. Remember that open Wi-Fi networks might offer slower speeds and pose potential security risks. Always ensure your console's system software is updated to the latest version for optimal performance and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.